This is an awesome truck. Nissan Navara N-Guard 2.3 DCI with only 18,000 miles on, no VAT. So you don't pay VAT, you don't claim VAT back. It's a commercial truck. Use it, enjoy it, claim as much as you can for the business if you have got one. Now this car has a private plate on it. It's a 2019 registration, still has the remainder of the Nissan manufacturer's warranty, but the plate comes with the car. So if it has any relevance to you, great, you get to keep it. If you don't want it, I'll retain it and I'll keep it. X5 FVP, free of charge. The car is stunning. The N-Guard comes fully loaded with all sorts of extras, but today with no VAT on, the life pricing for this lovely Navara is only $28,990. At a time where pickups aren't available because everyone's business is booming, they're all taking men on and women on and they're doing very well in life, everyone needs these things. And one like this, in a fabulous condition, it's a used truck. There will be an odd mark here and there, but everyone knows that. But this one hasn't been abused. It's in a fabulous condition, as a matter of fact. And it's a spec on it. Being the N-Guard, it's all been de-chromed. So normally where the chrome is, the grille is chrome, this is high gloss black. With the inserts around the front fog lights is chrome, it's high gloss black. And even the headlight inserts are all black as well. LED daytime running lights, xenon headlights. You've then got things like rear parking sensors, the upgraded high gloss black 18-inch alloy wheels, colour-coded bumpers, mud flaps front and rear, black side steps, and then you have the N-Guard decals. Continue with the black frame, you have the black mirror cap covers, side view cameras, black roof rails, sun protection glass, and that lovely big matte black rear bars. As for the interior, with it being the N-Guard, you've got that lovely black leather interior with a yellow stitching. It is an automatic gearbox, navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, multifunctional steering wheel, and heated seats. But look up, you've also got a sunroof. Grab handled, fully fitted N-Guard matte front and rear. Look at the condition of the seats, the door cards, the extended leather with the yellow stitching over here. This is a fabulous truck. In the market for a truck, it doesn't get much better. The Nissan's build quality, reliability, hand in hand, they're just perfect. ISOFIX attachments for your kids in the back, 3-point seat belts, more grab handles to get in and out of. And you know what? There's loads of space. They're absolutely the mega. But look at it, this hasn't been used as a workhorse. It's been a family car, you can see quite clearly. There's nothing in there at all that would deter you from buying it. Like I said, with the bars on there, with that roller shutter on the back, which aren't cheap. Rear parking sensors, like I mentioned before, reversing camera, and then you've got a massive, it's a Navara. It's got all the space you need. That rolls all the way back, it's lockable. Isn't that amazing? Genuinely an amazing truck. It's physical, it's available, it's here. The whole colour scheme works. Grey with the black bit, including the door handles. All the wheels in perfect condition. Recently been serviced. I don't know what more you could physically want. It's brilliant. $28,990, I know it's not expensive. I had a discussion earlier with somebody else asking me about pricing and whatnot. It's priced absolutely bang on for what the market is telling us. The sound of that engine as well. It's a good sound. It's a very good sound for a diesel engine. It's got a lot of roar in it. Electric windows and mirrors. Like I said, there's twin cup holders, the keys, the key for the back, it's all there. Your normal adjustments for the steering column, up and down. It's brilliant. And the sunroof slides back, remember. It's not just a glass roof. There's loads of cubby holes everywhere, auxiliary, 12-volt sockets, USB sockets, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, different options down there. Dual zone climate control, touchscreen media system. I don't physically know what more you could really want out of a pickup. It's brilliant, but it looks fabulous. If you look down the side, you won't see a dent. And if you compare this to another 9 or 10 other Navaras, they won't be in this condition. When I said before, will there be some wear and tear? What I meant was, if the car's done 18,000 miles, will there be a stone chip or two? Of course there will be. Will there be a scuff somewhere? A bit of a small scratch somewhere? Yeah, maybe. Because it is a truck. You're not buying a Lamborghini, you're buying a Navara, one that you're going to probably use to go to work and back on the farm, off the farm, through hedges and everything else. But as far as trucks go, it's one of the finest examples I've seen, certainly with the best specification that I've seen. With no VAT on, it's a great buy. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. If there's anything more you want to know about this particular truck, or if you have a part exchange, you want to know the finance options, anything, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. My phone's on 24/7. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.